What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I'm gonna go over Fantom. Not too much has changed, so just a quick analysis. We're sitting at 254. We're sitting on a market cap of 6.43 billion, 24-hour volume 330 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, as well as $25 in their native coin Crow, which has been absolutely exploding just for signing up through my referral. So let's start here on the 4 hour. So we're creating a bit of a symmetrical triangle here. So I'll give you your targets here. If we were to break down, if we were to break down here, bring us down just below the 1.272, down to about $2.30, which is our buy zone here. We were triggered into it with our previous wick, and our current average price is sitting at about 247. So you are sitting in profits right now, and you will have an opportunity to enter once again if we do break down to that level. Now, if we bounce here and we break back above the EMAs, that's when we can head back up to about 288, which is close to our take profit zone here at 295. And as you can see here, the MACD is in the floor. So we may just continue to trade sideways this week. If we look at Bitcoin, we're in an ascending triangle. So we may just do a little something like this. We come down, we hit support, we hit resistance, and we consolidate into our apex before seeing our breakout to the upside, in my opinion. If we were to break down here, your target is 54.3K, but I don't think it's the likely scenario. I mean, you can also be seeing this as a bit of a rising wedge, and that target is about the same at about 54K. But personally, I'm seeing an ascending triangle, which is a bullish continuation pattern. We made a strong level of support here at about 63,000, and we may just see a bit more of consolidation before we break out. So here's Fantom on the daily. We're going through that ABC correction that we've been talking about, guys. Our bearish divergence is playing out. I do think 234 could be our bottom here. This previous swing high give us an opportunity to bounce right off the 55 EMA. And the worst case scenario for me is the 1.414, which is coming in at $2.02. Fantom is doing exactly what it needs to for continuation. It's a bit boring right now. It's a bit dry, but it's part of the game, guys. So do target 234 and the 55 EMA, a beautiful opportunity to enter Fantom, in my opinion. We have our bull run targets. We have 597, and we have our dream price at the 2.272 at 993. We can see here with our Elliott wave theory. We're currently in our corrective wave 4, in our last larger impulsive wave. Each impulsive wave has 3 impulsive waves followed by 2 corrective waves. Impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, our largest wave 3. Right now, in my opinion, we're going through our corrective wave 4 with our ABC correction, and our last wave to our bull run target at 597, and our dream price for Fantom here at 993, which is the 2.272 extension. So that's it for this one, guys. Just be patient. I do think the breakout will come, but we may see some further consolidation this week. I believe the last bull run we started to break out in late November. So just be patient and it will pay off. So quick shout out to the Discord, guys. Over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto. It's the price of coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. That's it for this one. See you in the next one. Smash that like button. All right, guys. Take care. Much love.